Hello, this is Sheree for Just Nailed It, and it is SheModern Saturday. This week, I've got a grand unboxing for you. This box is like in your face big. We're all gonna recognize this sticker right here. That is a SheModern sticker. Yes, I told you this box is big. It's in your face big. I got lots to show you. Ah. Oh, come on. Get the bubble wrap out. Rubber air pillows. Okay. Oh my goodness. Can you see inside here? These packages right here, all sticky stamp and black and white sets for giveaways for new subscribers to introduce people to SheModern that don't know about SheModern yet. They don't have the sticky black and white sets. So there should be 14. So I'm going to get these all out of here. It's not as full now, look. I mean, we're still 6 inches down, and then there starts everything. So let me remove these. Again, I'll be having a giveaway given away twice a month to new subscribers, new people that don't have SheModern white and black, that have not been introduced to it yet. So I'm excited about that. If you know people who are into stamping, send them my way. So I'm gonna like grab a handful and set it off to the side because I don't know what I have. I ordered a boatload. Okay, let me keep that over there. I need glasses on for this. Gotta put my readers. Okay, we got opaque, neon, that's a neon, jelly, opaque, neon, opaque. We got opaque. Orange and mango is very close, Tina. This is orange opaque sticky stamping palette. Well, no, there's a difference. There's a difference. There's a big difference. Sorry. Whew. Opaque. Put this off to the side. Opaque. Opaque. I should do this off camera. So I'll be back. Alrighty, we're back. I've got everything sorted. I had some things mixed up. These are all the opaques up here. This is far more than what I ordered of the opaques. Tina, you are so gracious. You are so giving and so generous. And it leaves me dumbfounded for words. I thank you. My channel thanks you. Without you, there'd be no SheModern Saturday. I'm just flabbergasted. So we'll go over the opaques in a minute. These four here that I have are shiny metallic golden crystal flake. This is gold that is beautiful. The pink. The blue and the white. This is the white. This is blue. I know they kind of look the same. Whoops, not that one. But to the naked eye in real life, they are vastly different. These are a must-have, I'd have to say. And next I'm going to do the glow in the dark. I'm not swatching anything today. If anybody wants me to swatch anything, leave me a comment down below and I'll break it up into a couple different videos for SheModern Saturday. Tina just swatched everything in her lives the past week. So if you don't watch that, you don't get that, you don't go to YouTube and participate, I'm sorry you don't, but you get to see everything firsthand there before it hits the streets. We get to collaborate with her. She does demos for us and everything, and teaches us a lot of tips and tricks. These are the glow in the dark. This is glow in the dark green pigment, glow in the dark blue pigment, glow in the dark green watercolor clear, clear glow blue, 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 blue. Now you know. I have to plug my lamp in, stick these in, and I'm going to charge them. So now we're going to go over the four new watercolors that I have. I've got Tangerine. This is the Tangerine. That is such a beautiful, beautiful orange. Green. Ooh, I love that green. Rose Jelly watercolor. And blue. Blue, blue, blue. Had to have the blue. Okay, next on our list is 26 seconds to go. Jelly sticky stamping polishes. We have got Aqua, Cherry, Pink, and Peacock, which is, I love the Peacock. Anything that she does, it's just stunning. A stunning blue. I don't think you can see that this is Peacock. What was this again? Pink, Cherry, which is beautiful. God, I don't know if you can see this. And something white, maybe. Maybe that will help us. This is beautiful. Where am I? My center. Here we go. Here we go. Oh, right there, right there, right there. See it? See it? This is beautiful. This is the cherry, the peacock, the pink, and the green. These are, again, jelly sticky stamping polishes. You can order them in a set of 4 or individually. It is up to you. Let's shut the lights off. Ooh, look at these puppies glow. Look at how well they glow. Oh, the powders and the blue and the yellow. Oh my goodness. Ah. Oh, I cannot wait to use these. I told Crystal from Crystal F and Marie. Anyways. She's getting my old glow powder. I promised her I would send it to her when I got my new blue and my green. These are beautiful. Beautiful. Let's turn the lights back on here now. Look at how those are still just charged. You can tell on the blue. Oh, those are beautiful. Okay, now we're going to move on to jelly sticky stamping polishes again. Green, red, and it seems I got orange twice. So I'll probably put that up for Christmas or towards a giveaway. Let me turn these so you can see them in their color. Green, red, and orange. 2 oranges. 2 oranges. Whoops. Whoops. And right here, we have got 4 neon sticky stamping polishes. We have got yellow, sapphire, orange, and pink. The orange reminds me of creamsicle because it's so faint, it's so light, looks delicate to me. This one here looks like it should have been named creamsicle, but this is a neon. You need to shake this puppy up right here. Leave me comments down below. Let me know what you think of the new products. I mean, I can't. They just revamped everything. Everything. Okay, next we have got 4 opaque watercolors. I think I already had 4 watercolors, didn't I? I mean, I got a whole whatever. Blue, purple, pink, and yellow. Look how beautiful those are. Again, those are opaque watercolors. Beautiful. Now it's going to take us a minute to go through these, and I'm sorry, I'll try to do them in 4s. Oh, we've got Periwinkle. Oh gosh, thank you so much. Beautiful. Periwinkle, aqua, gray, and brown. These are the opaque sticky stamping polishes. Periwinkle, aqua, gray, and brown. Got purple, smoke. Love that one. Let's see, we got mango and rose. Oh, blush. Oh, sweet. I'm so glad I got the blush too. Sassy helped name this one the blush. And smoke. I can't remember if it was Natalie Muttridge, but these are all sticky stamping polishes. Look how beautiful they are, but I can't remember if it was somebody in the group. Well, Natalie was in the group too that day, but I can't remember who yelled out for smoke. One of the gals. So Tina's starting to let us collaborate picking names for the stuff, which was really super cool. Tina, on behalf of all the girls, I want to take this opportunity to thank you for that. Violet, melon, kiwi, and pink. Let's turn each one over. Look how beautiful. Beautiful. We have got lavender, teal, blue, and mint. Lavender, teal, blue, and mint. Wait till the camera. Those are so pretty. And again, these are all sticky stamping polishes. They can be bought off SheModern.com. Check the catalog for everything you are seeing here today. Everything. It's all there. Olive, red, coffee, and orange. My arm's getting a cramp as I'm holding it up. Look how beautiful these are. I really like that olive. What was this one? Coffee. Really like the coffee color too. These are far more than what I ordered. Far more. We ordered called butter. Butter, butter, butter. Lime, butter, and sapphire. Let's check out butter. I think that's a good color for butter too, don't you? Sapphire is beautiful. One of my faves. And this is the opaque lime. This took a lot less time than I anticipated. I thought it was going to take me forever to go through all this. I haven't started the sticky stamping giveaway yet, so don't be entering, folks. That's going to be a total separate video. I just want you to know. Yellow, rose, green, and sky. Oh, that sky blue is so beautiful. Right on. It's just spot on. So, wish I could lay them all out in front of you again, but that would take me forever. If you're into stamping, if you're a beginner, a novice, an expert, no matter what your skill level, check out SheModern.com's sticky stamping polish. Their watercolors, their neons, their opaques, they're everything. They are total game changers in the stamping world. I'm not just saying that because I'm an ambassador and I have a 10% discount code. I'm saying it because even at places that aren't etched very well, they have a perfect pickup every single time. I've got a Jesus plate, as I call it. It's like it's a nice size plate every single time. But anything else, Maniology stamping polish, not such a good pickup. Not such a good pickup. But with SheModern's sticky stamping polish, it's a total game changer. And I've been saying that from day one. You heard it here first. With my first sticky stamping polishes, the opaque black and white, it changed everything about stamping. You've got such a weight clear time that even once you put the polish down, you don't have to rush right in and scrape. Take your time. Low and slow. Low and slow. That's how you scrape. Low and slow. Take your time. Get your stamper and roll over it. Take off your excess. You ain't got to rush. You get to take your time with the sticky stamp. It stays stickier longer. You can put glitter and pigments over it. You can put the new glow in the dark pigments. Oh my God, I cannot wait to play with those. I know I sound like a 5-year-old little girl in the bubblegum store, don't I? But I can't help it. Tina, I thank you so much for all the new products that you have come out with and released recently. They're spot on with their names. I cannot wait to open these babies up next week and have a demo, start playing with them. Like I said, if anybody wants me to start swatching these out, or if you just want to wait and start seeing them in action, whichever you want to do, I'm flexible. But leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you want to do. Do you want me to swatch them out like Tina? Well, not like Tina did. I don't have nothing black to swatch them over, just white. But they are opaque, right? So it's all right. So leave me some feedback. Please give me a thumbs up on the video. It really helps my algorithm, and it lets me know that you liked what you saw. So, I don't know what else to say. I'm getting parched now. I feel all hyped up because I'm so excited about these products. So very excited about these products. Gene, I thank you for the extras. I thank you for all of the giveaway items, the black and white sticky stamping polishes, and I'm going to be giving these away twice a month. Oh my God, I'll start the giveaway next week. Like I said, that's going to be a separate video. One lucky winner, twice a month. Twice a month. We'll see what Tina says. I know it's going to run until January, but I don't know if that means starting in August, September, October, November, December. Oh yeah, January, maybe. Yeah, I guess I'll be starting with it January. Whatever. I'll figure it out, get back to you and let you know. But leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think, what your thoughts are, your constructive criticisms, and all your other isms. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Click on the notification bell. That way you get notified of all future videos, giveaways, and anything that may come across my desk. Have yourself a blessed day, and thank you.